The camera control button on your iPhone 17 isn't just for opening the camera. You can customize it to launch camera-related tools like Magnifier, Camera, or the built-in QR code scanner. That way, instead of opening the camera app first, you can scan codes instantly with a single or double click of the camera control button. Here's how to set the camera control button to open the QR code scanner. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Camera. Under the System Settings section, tap Camera Control. Here, you'll see which app is currently assigned to the camera control button. By default, it's set to Camera. To change it, tap Camera, then select Code Scanner from the list of available options. Tap the back key to save your selection. You can also choose how the feature is triggered, either with a single click or double click of the camera control button. Simply tap the gesture you prefer to assign it. Once configured, press the camera control button using your chosen gesture and your iPhone will instantly open the QR code scanner, ready to scan without opening the camera app first. If you ever want to switch back to the camera app or choose another tool, just return to the camera control settings and select a different option. And that's it. If this helped you make the camera control button more useful on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to discover more hidden features you can customize. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.